If you've ever been to a convenience store in Japan, you've probably seen this popular egg sandwich, the Tamago Sando. It's creamy, soft, and really easy to make. Today, I'll show you the classic version, plus 2 more fun variations. They are perfect for breakfast or lunch. Let's get started. I've made this Tamago Sando so many times. It's one of my go-to sandwiches for a quick breakfast or light lunch. It's a really simple recipe and easy to adjust the seasonings to your taste. For this recipe, you only need a few basic ingredients: eggs, salt bread, mayonnaise, mustard, and a few simple seasonings. First, let's boil the eggs. Place them in a saucepan and add enough water to cover. Bring it to a boil, then lower the heat and let them simmer for about 10 minutes. If you can, use eggs that are not super fresh. It makes them easier to peel. Once they are done, transfer them to an ice bath and let them cool down. Now, peel the eggs and add them to a bowl. Gently mash them with a fork or a masher, leaving a bit of texture. Add mayonnaise, a little yogurt, vinegar, salt and pepper. Then mix everything together. Japanese mayonnaise works really well here. It gives a rich, creamy flavor. For the yogurt, use plain, unsweetened yogurt. It adds a light, fresh touch that I really like. I'm using rice vinegar for a gentle acidity, but lemon juice works too. Next, take some bread. I like using soft, fluffy white bread, but whole wheat is also a good option. Spread mayonnaise on one side and mustard on the other for a little tang. You can also use butter instead for a richer taste. Add the egg filling, then place the other slice on top and gently press. Slice it in half and it's ready to enjoy. If you want something a bit more hearty, try adding a soft boiled egg in the center. It's super filling and so good. And look at that cross section, so nice and appetizing. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Another egg sandwich we enjoy is an omelet sandwich. It's very simple. Just a soft omelette in bread, but it's so satisfying and really delicious. The ingredients are simple. I'm going to make a fluffy omelette with 3 eggs. Crack the eggs into a bowl, add a little milk, salt and pepper, then whisk until smooth. I'm using almond milk here, but regular milk or soy milk works just as well. Heat a little oil in a pan over medium heat, then pour in the egg mixture. Gently move the pan back and forth, and use a spatula to stir the eggs in a circular motion. Once the bottom is lightly set, and the top is still slightly soft, shape the omelette. Fold in the edges and form it into a rectangle to fit your bread. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just make it roughly the size of your bread. Flip it over and cook a little more. Then remove from the heat. Spread mayonnaise and mustard on the bread for extra flavor. I like this combination, but you can also use butter for a richer taste. Place the omelette on one slice, Then top it with the other. Slice it in half and enjoy. The last one is a teriyaki egg sandwich. Teriyaki is often used for chicken, but it pairs really well with eggs too. Here, we're just turning a simple fried egg into a teriyaki style filling. Heat a little oil in a pan over medium heat. Crack in 3 eggs and lightly season with salt. Cover and cook for a few minutes until mostly set. While the yolks are still slightly soft, gently fold the eggs in half. This helps everything stay together when you make the sandwich. Flip it over and cook for a little more. Now add mirin and soy sauce. Let the sauce coat the eggs gently. This creates a simple teriyaki style flavor. If you don't have mirin, you can add a little sugar instead. Spread mayonnaise and mustard on the bread for extra flavor. Place the egg on one slice, then top it with the other. Slice it in half and it's ready to enjoy. Now I'll show you how to wrap a sandwich using parchment paper. This is great when you want a clean cross section or when you're packing it for lunch and want it to be easy to eat. First, lay the parchment paper flat and place the sandwich in the center. Bring the two sides together. Then fold it down little by little until it fits nicely around the sandwich. Next, fold in the sides, tucking them in like triangles to hold everything in place. Finally, cut the sandwich in half right through the paper. This helps keep everything together and gives you a nice clean cut. These are 3 easy ways to enjoy Japanese egg sandwiches. Which one would you like to try? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you like more simple Japanese recipes and tips, I share them in my weekly newsletter. You can find the link in the description.